In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning infographic videos using Canva. We'll walk through the process together, from opening Canva to customizing your very own infographic masterpiece. Whether you're creating content for work, school, or just for fun, this guide will help you design an engaging and informative video. Let's dive in. First, we'll begin by heading over to Canva. You'll want to either log in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed at the top. In this search bar, type Infographic Videos. This search will pull up a wide range of visually appealing templates specifically designed for creating infographic videos. These templates can serve as a fantastic starting point for your creative process. Feel free to browse through the array of templates available. You'll notice that Canva offers a variety of designs, each crafted to fit different themes and styles. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern or something more colorful and playful, there's likely a template that suits your needs. Take your time here. Choosing the right template is an important step as it sets the tone for your video. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it. After selecting your template, a button will appear that says Customize this template. Click on that and the template will open up in Canva's editing interface where the real fun begins. Now, it's time to customize all the details to make this video truly your own. Start by editing the text. Canva makes it easy. Simply click on any text box and start typing to replace the default text with your own content. Be sure to adjust the font size, style, and color to match your brand or the message you're trying to convey. Next up, let's change the videos in your template if you feel it's necessary. To do this, select the video element you want to replace, then head to Canva's video library or upload your own video clips. Drag and drop your chosen video into place. This is a great way to ensure that every visual element tells the part of your story you want it to. Don't forget about transitions. They're an essential component in making your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next. Click on the area between scenes and a transitions panel will pop up. Experiment with different options to find transitions that complement the style of your infographic. Finally, after all your edits and adjustments, take one last look to ensure everything is just the way you want it. If you're satisfied with your work, it's time to download your finished infographic video. Simply click the download button at the top right of the interface, choose your file type, and save it to your device. Congratulations, you've just created an eye-catching infographic video using Canva. Thank you for joining me today and happy designing.